This is getting ridiculous. Can you listen to yourself? Why are you behaving like a child? Mom, can you talk to her? Ask her why she wants to follow Haley and I to the beach.
Osas, I am tired of being treated like a trash in this house. Huh? I am your wife. Do you think it's easy watching you spend quality time with another woman?
No, Agnes. What has come over you?
Mama, I know this is a plan and I'm supposed to play along. Osas has never taken me to the beach before and I must go with them today.
Can you listen to her? Just listen to her. What are you going to do at the beach, huh? Sit and watch Haley and I play around?
At least me being around will make your time with her less quality.
And what will you gain? What? Agnes, listen to me. With this attitude of yours, Haley is going to find out about us.
My daughter, please. We have gone too far to ruin this plan, please.
Mama, I'm not saying I'm going to ruin the plan. I will not ruin the plan. I just want to be where my husband is. Is that too much to ask?
Agnes, if you ruin my chance at making it in life, I will never forgive you.
I'm all set, my love. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, darling.
I'm all set and ready to go.
Beautiful.
We're not going again.
Is Agnes coming with us?
Hey, I asked her to go with you because she'll be bored at home. No, don't worry, she won't disturb you at all. She won't disturb you.
Baby, let's go, okay? Oh my love, the beach is waiting.
Those children will not kill me.
Huh? What do you mean by you're coming back to Nigeria with Haley?
Listen, Agnes, I tried. I tried to get her mind off it, but it didn't work. She wants to meet everyone in my life and get to see the project I've been investing in. Haley is a smart girl. She won't give me a penny to start up the company if she doesn't get to see things for herself.
Osas, I don't understand what is happening anymore. This wasn't part of the plan.
I know, but we don't have any other option. You know how these things work, and I don't want her to suspect anything.
So you want to bring another woman into our matrimonial home and have me, your wife, act as your sister? And what about our daughter? Osas, this thing is getting serious, so.
Agnes, we need Haley. Everything we own came from her pocket, and you know that. I'll just tell her that Lily is my late brother's daughter or something. Her father is a billionaire, and trust me, we can hit it big from her if we continue to play our cards right. I need you to trust me on this.
Babe, you know I always support your every decision.
I know. It's just for a short while, okay? I love you.
I love you too.
I can't wait to see my hair, Mom.
I know it's looking pretty.
How are you, my angel?
I'm very well, Grandma.
Welcome, Mama.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired.
Sorry. Hope your meeting went well.
Yes, it did.
Okay.
Your hair is fine.
Mama, should I serve you lunch now, or do you want to freshen up first?
Don't worry, my dear. I'm full for now.
Okay.
I had a lot to eat at the meeting.
Oh, yeah?
I'll eat later.
Okay, Mama. Look at my pretty angel.
You done, Mom?
Yes, I'm done.
Wow. I
Yeah,
can't
it's
wait
fine.
to see it.
I know, right? Okay, go up. Finish up your homework
Yes, Mom.
and shower, okay?
Okay,
Get
Mom.
ready for bedtime. All right, my love. Mama, do you know that Osas is planning to bring that white lady back to Nigeria?
Is that why you're worried? That's nothing. Yes. Cheer up, my dear.
Mama, you knew about it.
Osase says something like that. Joyibo wants to come and see things for herself. Let her come. You know the money we need from her is very huge. And she needs to trust Osase enough to be able to drop that kind of money.
But he has proposed to her. Is that not enough? Mama, what else does she want him to do?
My dear.
Mama, see. The reason I agreed to do this is because I didn't know I would get to this.
Let her come if she wants to come. Agnes. Yes, let her come. You know, she needs to trust him so much to enable her drop that money. Or do you want to ruin everything and return back to living in Pelure? So relax your mind. That is another plan for us to work on. It is for the best. And that doesn't affect anything between you and your husband. Okay?
Thank you, Mama.
Better. You're welcome. Well, I'm tired. I need to go and freshen up.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
What's up?
What is going on?
What?
Haley, why did she come with all that bag?
What do you mean?
Osas, you told me she was coming for a few days. Why did she pack like she's staying months?
Is that why you dragged me here?
Yes, because I needed to explain it. I mean, except she has all the monies she promised you in those bags.
What?
If not, what is going on?
What money are you talking about? Agnes, please. You know how you women can be. She just decided to bring a few extra stuff, just so she can be comfortable.
A few extra stuff, you say? Osas, I don't like drama. But let me tell you this. If that girl exceeds 2 weeks in this house, I will personally throw her out.
Baby.
You hear me?
Just relax, okay? Babe. Agnes. Baby.
You're so beautiful, my dear.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mummy.
Oh, Sassy. My son.
Mommy. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
So, Agnes, honey, Osas tells me that you're a graduate. Are you working in any organization or, obviously, besides running the restaurant?
What?
Baby, please ignore Agnes, okay? She usually doesn't go there because she has people working for her, right? Agnes, she's asking about your new restaurant.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I have a bunch of staff working there, so I don't get to go there that often, as he said.
Oh, splendid. That must mean business is booming, right?
Yeah, it is.
But question is, do you have a supportive boyfriend?
I don't understand. What has having a boyfriend got to do with my business?
Oh, Agnes, honey, I didn't mean to pry. All I'm saying is, when you have a business, having a loving, supportive, and understanding partner is a need and not a want. And I know that not all guys can be like my Osaze, but you should have someone I mean.
Dad, who's this woman?
Lily, honey, she is my fiance. I'm sure you're too young to understand these things, but I'll explain it to you later, okay?
Oh, what's so hard to understand, honey? Just go ahead and tell her. We're getting married, my love.
You're getting married?
Yes.
What about?
love.
It's okay, Mara.
I told you,
Come here, Mara.
don't disturb your dad and his wife-to-be. No, they just returned from a very long distance trip. Hey, Harley, my darling, my daughter-in-law. Can you please tell me more about you?
Absolutely. What would you like to know, Mommy?
Tell us something we should know, like when you decide to leave Nigeria.
Oh, honestly about that, I haven't given it much thought. But now that I do think of it, I haven't booked a return, just a one-way ticket. So if I like it here, which it does seem like I would,
I'm sure you will.
I'll spend some time here.
We are happy to have you here.
Thank you.
Isn't she charming, Mom? Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'd love to meet the rest of your family members. How come you never told me about Lily until today?
I'm sorry, honey. I just don't like talking about my late brother's death. And I knew that talking about Lily will bring it up.
I'm sorry. All right. It must have been really hard for her. But I'm happy she has you to look up to as a father figure.
Yeah. That's why she calls me her dad.
So, do you have any other siblings I'm unaware of?
No, I don't. But you're going to meet all of my relatives when we travel to the village.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to meet every single person in your life.
Of course.
What have you been doing on your phone all day? Put it down and let's go to bed. Or should we watch Netflix?
Anything you want, my love.
All right.
Okay.
Let's watch that show with the Spanish lady.
Right.
Not this show.
I want this.
What?
Look, I need to go back to bed, okay? I know Haley. If she wakes up and I'm not in bed, she's going to come and look for me.
You are my husband. I haven't seen you in a while. Please, don't leave me like that.
Wait. Listen. Okay. Wav, this is not the right time. Okay, let's do this later.
Osase! Osas? Osas, where are you? Osase! Osas? Are you in there? Osas! Are you in here? Is Osase
What are you doing
in
here?
I'm looking for Osase.
Yes, we're praying together. We do that every time he comes back from the UK. It's our family thing.
What in the world? Let me join you. Osase!
Babe,
What are you doing here?
what are you doing here?
You're praying without me? I want to grow my spiritual life as well. We should pray together.
Babe, I didn't want to disturb you, okay?
Why wouldn't you call me to pray with you? I want to be a part of this midnight prayer.
Babe, I didn't want to disturb you, okay? This prayer usually happens between my sister and I. As you can see, even my mom is not here.
I should be your priority. I want to grow my spiritual life as well. All right?
Baby, are you sure?
Hush! Come on, let's all pray together then.
Babe, we're battling heavy demons
Yeah.
here. Okay?
Let's battle them together, my love. All right?
Okay. Babe, hold on. We are here again.
Amen.
We are here again, Lord. Lily? Hey, honey, you ready?
I'm not yet ready, Dad.
Okay. Finish up so we can go. You ready?
Hey, honey.
Okay, babe.
All right.
We're leaving.
Be a good girl, okay?
All right. All right.
See
Let's
you.
go. Okay? Let's go. After you.
Miss Osas? Golly, I needed him to run an errand for me. Agnes, I'd need you to help me with the tiny fever. This is a list of fruits that I need you to get for me. I'd like to make a smoothie. Thank you. I really, really appreciate it.
Haley, you're asking me to go out and buy you fruits. As what?
Agnes, I
Wait.
didn't...
You woke me up early this morning to make you tea. I did that without hesitation. Then you asked me to help you unpack your bag, even though I had so much to do. I obeyed. Now you're sending me to the market to go get you fruits. I don't understand. I'm not the house help here.
Agnes, honey, I never said you were, okay? I'm sorry if I came across like that. I'm very unfamiliar with the area and I thought you'd help me, that's all.
You know what? When you step outside the gate, you take the second turning by your right. Go all the way down to the street. You'll find some fruit sellers there. You can buy from them.
I couldn't possibly, Agnes. I can't buy fruit on the streets. It has to be from a supermarket where it's certified that it's been cleaned properly.
Okay, so you wait for Osas to get back. Don't stress me. What's going on here?
Mommy, I asked Agnes for a tiny favor and she's scolding me.
Agnes, why you scolding your brother's wife?
Mama, I didn't scold her. I just want her to start being able to do things herself.
I merely asked her for a favor to get me fruits, for my smoothies. It's really important that I stick to my diet, but she, in that moment, I genuinely felt very unwelcome here.
No, my darling, don't say that again. Is this all what you need?
Yes, Mommy.
Agnes, take. Go right now and help her to get everything she needed.
But Mama...
Don't mama me. I don't want to repeat myself. Take and go and get everything right now. My darling, let's go upstairs.
Thank you, Mommy. Oh, and Agnes, thank you. You're a darling. Oh, ever so sweet.
Agnes, I don't understand you. Why would you allow your husband's maga into your matrimonial home? Sis, you've not been listening to me. I told you we had no choice. This is a dangerous game if you ask me. And the fact that he's dragging his entire family into it is scary. Imagine denying his own daughter just to please another woman. I mean, we all agree to play along. Sis, it's not easy making money. That woman has been a source of income since Osas met her. He just needs to hit it big this time so he can finally dump her. Other Yahoo boys who I know, they don't bring their clients into their homes. Please, my husband is not a Yahoo boy. He's an international businessman. Businessman indeed. That is what they all say. Come to think of it, how does he plan on getting rid of her after extorting such huge amount of money from her? And now that she knows everything about him. Well, don't worry about that, sis. My husband, Osas, is a smart man. He has everything under control. I mean, he plans on selling our property and relocating us to our dream country. When he hit it big this time, everything is well planned out. Don't worry. Wow, a family of first stars. That's not funny. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't believe you all will go to this length. Even Osa's mother. That one. She's more into the game than I am. I mean, who knows one better life? Definitely not Mama Osas. Okay. I mean, I believe that with time, everything will pan out well. For now, I just have to focus on coping with that annoying Haley girl. Oh, this must be really hard for you. I mean, you sleeping alone with your husband under the same roof while he's satisfying another woman. Girl, you have no idea. Can you imagine that? My husband and I haven't had quality time since he got back on this trip. The girl follows him all over the place like a housefly. Any corner Osas enters, he's just hearing her, Osas, Osas, baby, baby. Are you serious? Are you serious? Can't stand her. Heaven knows I don't beat out blue and black if I were in your shoes. Girl, you crazy. I'm serious. In my own husband's house. I won't take it though. I won't take it at all. I beg go, make Oyibo no go die for my hand. I beg go, I don't do that. She'll be fine. So, I think I should start heading out now. I still need to pick Lily up from school. Okay then. Give me a second.
Agnes, Haley said this is not the kind of butter she asked you to buy. Why didn't you follow everything on her list?
I did. They didn't have the one on her list. But this is a good one too. Butter is butter now.
No, baby. Butter is not butter for Haley. Okay, you know how all these Oyibo people can be now, eh? Look, babe, she said this one is not good for her skin.
So what do you want me to do?
Well, you have to go back and get the type that she wants.
God, you're joking.
No, I'm not why would I be joking?
Hey, Osas, so she told you to come tell me this, and you really came to tell me? Huh? Is everything all right? Are you all right? No. Did you tell her that I'm the maid in this house or what?
Baby, can we not just argue about this right now? Let's do the needful.
Please! I will not. I refuse to be a slave in my own husband's house.
Babe, what's going on with you now? This is part of the plan, remember?
Plan or no plan, I will not tolerate nonsense like this from that girl. Look, you're going to go back to her. Tell her that I refused to do what she asked.
So you want her to be upset with us? Is that what you want? Babe, Agnes.
Why are you being so cold? You know what's at stake here.
Mama, what did I do again? I've gone shopping for her now, so what's the problem now?
I got shopping for her. How did you behave before you leave? Do you think that Oyibo girl is a fool?
But she should at least stop treating me like her house help. Mama, it's too much.
What's too much? Just take it as a sacrifice to make her trust us. To her, you are just her fiancé's younger sister. And of course, she can send you on errands.
I've heard you, Mama. I'll do whatever she asks.
Listen, Agnes. If you make her suspect a thing to affect her plans, I will never forgive you. My daughter, how are you?
Oh, hi, Mommy. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes.
What is this you are drinking?
Oh, it's a cleansing smoothie.
Oh, smoothie?
Yes.
Can I have some?
You want some?
Yes. If you can take it, I should be able to take it.
All right. Go ahead.
Wow. It smells nice.
It is. You like?
It tastes good. Can I have it all?
Sure, go ahead.
Wow.
I absolutely love this show.
Wow.
It's just as we're here.
Mama, are you okay? Mama? Mama, are you okay? What's wrong? Are you throwing up?
I've been vomiting and my stomach is turning at the same time.
Oh, Mama, what did you eat now?
Oh, Sanobo, Oyibo gave me poison. She called it smoothie.
Mama, Haley gave you a glass of smoothie and you drank it. Mama, why now? Holy God knows the mixture she put in the blender to make that juice. Okay, Mama, sorry. Maybe I should go get you some drugs.
Please do.
Okay. Sorry.
Oh.
Oh, hottie.
Yeah, so what's her problem?
From Pirates of the Caribbean.
Wow.
She's married to him.
Maybe I think there's a... No, let me get the door.
Yo, Sassy!
What's good, bro?
So the rumors are true.
What?
You came to tell you didn't inform us.
Guys, come in. This is a surprise. How fun now?
Oh, I did, my brother.
Boy, you never grew, you never tough finish.
Oh, I never thought finish. Bro.
How far?
Looking good, bro.
Good to see you, man.
Who's this pretty damn so, yeah?
Guys, this is Haley, my fiance.
Hello.
Your fiance.
Yes, my fiance.
Wow, it's nice to meet you, Haley.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you, Peter.
It's lovely to meet you all.
Yes.
I've been hoping to meet every single person in
Yeah,
his
baby,
life.
these are some of my friends. Very cool guys, right? Welcome, guys. Please sit down, honey. Yes.
So, are you guys married?
Thank you a lot for the hospitality, bro. I really enjoyed the meal, bro.
Yeah,
I mean, that meal was solid. But bro, I'm confused about something.
Yeah, what's that?
Are you planning on having a second wife? And what is Agnes saying about this woman?
I don't understand, so what's this all about?
Oh, Bob, guys, don't be only for Nigeria life hard, though. Life is hard everywhere. After I traveled to London, I ran into a lot of debt. My uncle kicked me out and I was homeless for some time. Guys, I was literally going through hell until I met Haley. Haley helped me. Now, I don't intend to marry her, but I can't just let her go. Okay? At least not yet. She has one more thing to do for me.
And what's that?
I want her to send me some money.
Oh, now it's clicking. Now I get it. But why did you bring that to your house? Eh?
Guy, don't worry about it. My family knows the plan. That's why they're playing along.
No, sir, this matter serious. So you went as far as proposing to this girl just because of your selfish gain. That's unfair.
Bro, life is unfair. All right? All these ladies care about is a ring on their finger. Or everybody could do all right last.
Oh, man.
Yeah, but bro, man, I need you to be careful, man.
I am careful.
Alright, solid, bro.
Bro, that's wrong, man. Man, see you guys later.
Definitely, bro.
All right, so what do you want to discuss with us, bro?
Guys, I need your help. I really didn't want to bother you guys, but since you're aware of my little plan, I really do need your help.
All right, so what exactly do you want us to do? You want us to rob a bank?
No, I'm actually serious.
Alright, bro. Just leave Mr. Money Heist alone. What do you need us for, man?
Haley gave me some money to invest in real estate. Now, I actually did invest in real estate, but I don't want her to know the location of my actual properties, just in case, right? That's one of the reasons she came down here to Nigeria. She's a very smart lady. I just want to grant her wish so she won't suspect a thing.
All right, so what exactly do you want us to do?
Your laugh so big.
Stop it! Stop it, your mother will hear us.
I don't care, let her hear us.
You don't?
I don't care.
What about Lily?
Well, Lily should be asleep right now. There's nothing for you to worry about. Oh, no, don't you dare.
I will.
No. Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Time out.
Yes, time out. Oh! Okay.
Will you fall off? Come back here.
No.
I promise I won't do it anymore.
You promise?
I promise.
Are you sure?
I'm absolutely sure!
Good morning.
Who's this?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Isn't it obvious? I'm making breakfast.
Wow. You're making breakfast. Wait, let me guess. You're trying to serve Haley breakfast in bed?
Yeah, I'm just trying to be nice.
Wow. I didn't know you could be this romantic, Osas.
What do you mean? Are you just noticing that?
Hey! Osas, when have you ever served me breakfast in this house? I mean, I can count how many times you've stepped foot in this kitchen. And when you come in here, it's either to grab a bottle of water or take fruit from the fridge. Or you both show. My husband don't turn house husband.
Listen, Agnes, you and Haley are not the same, okay?
Obviously, we're not the same. Do I have money? I don't have money now. She has money. This life hustle, oh. Osas, listen. When all this drama is over, if I don't get to be treated like how you're treating that bush baby, there'll be war in this house.
Okay, can you keep your voice down, please?
Look at him, wearing apron. For Yibo. Osas, you fall my hand.
Baby, if you want me to make you breakfast, just tell me. You want me to leave some for you? I can leave some for you now. It's hilarious.
I absolutely love clubbing in Nigeria. It's splendid, my darling. Oh, Agnes.
You guys went clubbing?
Yes. Yes, we did.
Agnes, it's late. Why are you still up?
I've been calling you, texting. You couldn't even return my calls or reply my messages. It's not funny.
This is some sort of joke. Just tell me. You've been worried about us? What are you, like our babysitter or something? Can you believe this, my darling? It's time for mommy and daddy to have some alone time. Why don't you run upstairs, all right?
Agnes, no, just go to bed, okay? We're fine. All right?
We'll run upstairs. Honey, I'm tired of the dress. You have to take it off.
Okay, I might have to carry it. Hey, baby. Are you alright?
Missing
you. Right.
So, I had something exciting for us to do tomorrow.
What's that?
We should visit your newest property.
What?
The one you just got 2 months ago that I sent you the money for? I would like us to go see it together.
But, babe,
But what? Ever since I got back, you haven't taken me to see any of the properties. My love, you need to understand. This is one of the most important reasons I came back to Nigeria.
I know, okay? But I'm trying to put things in place.
What exactly do you have to put in place? From where I'm standing, it's pretty simple. I sent you all that money to get properties for the past 8 months. All you need to do is take me there. What do you need to put together? If it's your property, why can't we just waltz in there?
Baby, look, it's not like I can't take you to... You know what? I'll take you to go and see all of our properties, if that's what you want.
Splendid. Now let's enjoy the view. Oh, the houses are pretty tall in Nigeria.
Of course they are. Hello. Oh, Bob. Look, guy, I'm dead serious, okay? Look, I've tried everything, but she's not listening to me. Okay, listen to me. You need to wake up as early as possible to put everything in place, okay? Yes, inform Frank as well. Just send me the location and I'll be there. Look, I trust you, man, all right? Let's just get this over with. Okay, let me know. Don't call, just text, okay? Yo, you guys are the best. All the sites, the properties, even that office. How?
Right?
Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro.
Oh, man.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I was forgetting though.
No, man, you did great. You were amazing. Well done. You guys have no idea what you've done for me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
No, we always have your back now.
Yeah, man. Cheers to that.
So when are we expecting the... you know now.
I rest. Don't worry, I'll sort you out. Look, Haley hasn't given me a penny since we got back to Nige. I'm expecting something huge from her. When it comes in, I'll sort you guys out first now, for sure. You know that.
Not to do, you know.
Abina, the
Wow,
biggest
wow.
man in town.
My G. Man, you... Oh, but it's just you know, do for all night. I was like, nigga, where did you get this suit from? Like, what did we do?
Mommy, I'm serious, okay? Just tell Dad that Osas and I need the money and it's urgent, all right? And I know that £100,000 is an awful lot of money to ask for, but I promise as soon as we buy this property, we won't bother you both anymore, all right? Please, Mommy, I need this from you. Oh, well, I have mentioned it to him, but you know how he is. He listens to you more than anyone in the world. All right? Oh, thank you, Mommy. I love you so very much. See you soon. Mwah.
What did she say?
That she would need some time to convince him.
All right, that's progress.
My darling, I don't know why you're so excited about this. I really don't think we need that property.
Of course we do, baby. Look, Haley, I know your dad is rich, but we're about to start our own family and we need our own source of income. We can't depend on your dad forever.
You're right. I'm sorry. Sorry.
I know I'm right, okay? I'm working very hard to be a responsible husband and father. I don't want anything to go wrong in the future.
I love you so very much.
No, I love you more.
I love you most.
Well, I love you a billion times.
And I love you a zillion times.
I love you till infinity. Yeah. Yeah, you can't beat that. You cannot beat that.
I...
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
What? She said she wants to visit my restaurant and you agreed to that? Well, you clearly know there's no restaurant.
Of course I know, but we can't tell her that.
Osas, is there something you're not telling me? So why didn't you tell me you took money from her to open the Oh, okay, I get it. It was just an excuse to get more money. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Osas, why didn't you tell me? You promised not to hide anything from me.
Look, I'm sorry, okay? Now what do you think we should do?
How much did she give you for the restaurant and where's the money?
I invested the money into another business. Trust me, it's for our own good.
Osas, I don't understand you. I keep saying that.
Agnes, can you just help me fix this, please?
What do you want me to do?
I don't know, just anything to make her believe that you own a restaurant, okay? Just talk to your friends, your family, anything, convince. If you need money to tip anyone, just let me know, I'll give it to you, okay?
Why do I have to be the one to do all that work? Huh? It's not like you gave me a penny from what you took from her.
Agnes, because I've been doing all the work since we got back. You are supposed to be my partner, but no, you rather spend your time getting jealous of Haley, and frankly speaking, I am getting tired of it. Look, if you don't sit up, it's game over for you, me, Mom, and Lily.
So the lady you came with earlier is your husband's mistress?
She's not my husband's mistress. She's our ticket out of poverty.
Agnes, that lady is very pretty. Are you sure she won't end up snatching your husband?
Rita, enough with all this negativity. Look, I only let you in on this because you are my friend. And you have become a sister to me over time. But I don't appreciate you constantly trying to discourage me from Osa's plans. It's not working.
I'm doing all this because I care about you. I became uneasy the moment you told me that your husband was coming back with his London-based fiancé. He even went as far as proposing to her. What makes you think he wouldn't end up marrying her? You said she was only going to stay for a few days. It's been 3 weeks now. And I believe he gives her all the attention. What if she gets pregnant? Have you thought of that?
Osas is a smart man.
You keep telling me that. You think he would choose you over her? She's the one with the money here.
Look, I know all of this thing sucks. But it's not easy to make money these days. That lady has been the one holding down my family. I don't want us to go back to the place we're coming from. I know what life was like for me and Osas before that girl came into the picture. Look, we just need to stick to our plan, hit it big, and we out.
I understand. I understand perfectly. But have you noticed? Everything works in his favor, not you. You told me that he bought properties, which I am very sure they are all in his name. He invests all the money on himself and his mother, and he leaves you with nothing.
Rita, what are you insinuating?
Men are not to be trusted. Osas might be playing you and not the white lady.
This is getting ridiculous. Can you listen to yourself? Why are you behaving like a child? Mom, can you talk to her? Ask her why she wants to follow Haley and I to the beach.
Osas, I am tired of being treated like a trash in this house. Huh? I am your wife. Do you think it's easy watching you spend quality time with another woman?
Oh no, Agnes! What has come over you?
Mama, I know this is a plan and I'm supposed to play along. Osas has never taken me to the beach before and I must go with them today.
Can you listen to her? Just listen to her. What are you going to do at the beach, huh? Sit and watch Haley and I play around?
At least me being around will make your time with her less quality.
And what will you gain? What? Agnes, listen to me. With this attitude of yours, Haley is going to find out about us.
My daughter, please. We have gone too far to ruin this plan. Please.
Mama, I'm not saying I'm going to ruin the plan. I will not ruin the plan. I just want to be where my husband is. Is that too much to ask?
Agnes, if you ruin my chance at making it in life, I will never forgive you.
I'm all set, my love. Oh, hi, Mommy.
Hi, darling.
I'm all set. set and ready to go.
Beautiful.
We're not going again.
Is Agnes coming with us?
Hey, I asked her to go with you because she'll be bored at home. No, don't worry, she won't disturb you at all. She won't disturb you.
Baby, let's go. Okay? Come on, my love. The beach is waiting.
These children will not kill me.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, darling.
Grandma, could you please help me with my homework?
Why? Where's your mother?
Mom's busy upstairs and I'm tired of waiting up for her.
Can't you do it on your own?
I need some assistance. Dad always assists me whenever Mom is busy. But you made me promise not to disturb him because of our new guest. Or should I go to Dad?
No, my dear. No, come. I don't want you to go there and run your mouth. Come, I will assist you.
Thank you, Grandma. Okay, Grandma. We're starting with mathematics.
Okay.
Wait a minute. And the first question is, simplify the following. Bracket minus 9 times bracket minus 2.
Hey, let me see.
It's here.
My darling. Next question, please.
Okay, question number 2 goes this way. Divide the following quantities in their given ratio. 2,800 in the ratio 1:3.
Wait. Lily, what
Yes,
class do you
Mama.
say you are again?
Of course, grade 4.
You know what? We have to wait for your mother.
But Grandma, she's busy.
She can never be busy forever. We have to wait for her to finish what she's doing. Is that okay?
Grandma, what about all these ones? How am I gonna do them?
My darling, your mom will help you out. Solve everything. She will do everything for you. We just have to wait for her. Or better, we go and meet her. By now, she's supposed to have finished. I don't understand why we teachers give children this kind of homework. They want to break their tiny brain.
When is she leaving?
What?
Haley, when is she going back to the UK? You said she was only going to be here for a few days. It's been weeks now.
I don't know. She hasn't said anything about returning to London.
Then make her.
You want her to feel like we're trying to chase her away?
Hosaz, why hasn't she given you the money she promised yet? I mean, you've done everything and shown her everything she wanted to see. What's going on?
Let her take her time. Okay?
Really? Take her time, you say? Oh, until she forces you to get her pregnant?
Oh, please. You know that's not possible. And please bring your voice down, okay? She could hear us.
I don't know what is possible or not possible around here anymore. You promised me certain things before she got into this house. And guess what? You failed on all your promises. Everything you said wasn't going to happen is happening now. Hosaz, please. If she doesn't want to give you the money, let her go. So we can return back to our normal lives.
Oh, you mean go back to poverty? I'm not going back to that life. I'm never going back to being broke and wretched when everything I need is closer than ever. Honestly, I don't know why you're acting this weird when you know that I'm doing this for all of us. We will wait and do whatever she asks until we get what we want, okay? So please get your act together, please. Excuse me. What do you mean we have to get married first?
That's Father's wish.
Well, this cannot wait until we get married.
Why not?
Because I am running out of time. If I don't buy this company, someone else will. This is not what we agreed.
Look, my love. I know this wasn't the agreement, but Father has made it very clear that He won't give out that money if we're not lawfully wedded.
Oh, baby, you have to talk to him again or have your mom call him. I can't afford to lose this deal.
And what would you have me do? Huh? If I had the money, I would give it to you, but it's my father we're dealing with. And you know what? Maybe he's right. No one in their right senses would give out that amount of money to their daughter's boyfriend.
I am not your boyfriend. I'm your fiancé.
My father doesn't care if you gave me a ring. All he cares about is you doing the right thing. So stop nagging, stop blowing things out of proportion and do the right thing. And why is it so difficult? Aren't we in love and engaged?
Baby, I love you. Of course I love you. But look, babe, we're talking about our future here. I have to secure our future. It's important to me. Okay?
Nothing would secure our future more than getting married. Can't you see that? Why is getting married such a difficult task for you? Are you having second thoughts? Cold feet?
No.
I don't know, Sassy. This is...
Mom, I'm tired. Nothing is working according to plan anymore. Like, it's driving me insane.
My son, calm down and listen carefully. Marrying Ali is not a bad idea. If that is what will make a father to give you that money, then go ahead.
If I do that, then it's game over. Because I won't be able to leave Hailey and everything I own will have both our names on it.
Who says you will leave her? My dear, no. Ali loves you dearly and her father is a billionaire. Isn't all that we need?
Look, I can't marry two women. I can't.
Then let Agnes go instead. We can't afford to lose Ali. Yes, think of how she will change our life. Yours, Lily, and mine.
Mom, I love my wife. I love Agnes.
Love? Who cares about love? What has love got to do with this matter on ground? Osase, go for Ali.
Can we just think of anything else? Something else?
We are out of plan. Do you think Agnes will agree with any other plan you have? No. We can't afford to lose Ali. We can't. My darling, do everything possible to make sure we are in. Yeah.
Look, I'm warning you. Better respect yourself in this house. You hear me? Or else...
Or what? What exactly are you going to do to me, Agnes, in my husband's house? Go ahead and tell me. Tell me.
Your husband's house? Who married you?
You
They
know
haven't
what?
married you and he might not even marry you.
Standing here and arguing with you is absolutely ridiculous. Repulsive, you know why? Because you're just a jealous, sad old hag. That's what you are.
Me? Sad? Old?
Precisely.
When last did you look at yourself in the mirror? Well, all that is behind plastic. Yes, you are plastic.
Dare you? This is real. I'm all real.
Okay, what's going on?
Baby, I just came down to watch my show and she refused to hand me the remote. And then she started calling me names and she said I'm plastic. Go ahead and tell her I'm not. I've never had any work done.
You are such a liar.
Enough!
She's lying.
Enough, Agnes!
Mama, I was just sitting here watching TV. The next thing, this girl just came from nowhere and started harassing me and telling me. Will you keep quiet? Agnes, what exactly is your problem? Look at you. You're giving him problem. Your brother gave you everything you want. Roof over your head. Take good care of you. Then why can't you let his wife be? Agnes, What exactly is your problem? I'm asking you. Come on, let her be! My darling, take your time.
I don't want to watch the show anymore.
Take your time.
Agnes, you have made a mess of things. And Haley is not comfortable with that. Okay, I think you should leave.
What? What's that? You're asking me to leave the house? How could you say that to me?
Look, I'm sorry, okay, but it's for the best. Things are very tough with Haley right now.
And you're asking me to leave my house? Our matrimonial home? For Haley?
Just for a few days. Okay, like I said, Haley is very upset with you, and I don't want that to get in the way of our plans. Okay, just go to your mom's place, your friend's place, or even your sister's place, okay? Just for a few days.
And our daughter?
Don't worry about her, she'll be fine, okay? Iya and I will take care of her.
My dear, this is pure wickedness.
I stood by my man through thick and thin. Every time he needed me, I was there. I did everything humanly possible to support him. Why is he doing this to me?
Why did you leave your matrimonial home at first?
He said Haley was pissed off by our argument earlier, and that it might ruin his chance of getting the money she promised him. So he advised that I leave for a day or two.
And you believed him? See, I hate to say I said so, but Agnes, I said so. No man is to be trusted, especially when it comes to money.
I never wanted to agree to this plan. I shouldn't have agreed to all this.
What are we going to do now?
I don't know.
Agnes, I know you're a calm and strong woman.
You know, the most annoying part of this is the fact that his mom supported him. After all the hell I've been through for that old fool.
Who wouldn't want to support her own son? I mean, everyone wants to live a luxurious life. You told me that.
Please, what can I do? How can I put an end to all this madness?
I told him, I said, if you don't get out of my way, I'll call the police on you.
that is definitely something.
But I was
you would
only
say.
threatening him. I would never call the police on anyone.
Right? Are you sure?
I most definitely was.
Honey, are you okay?
Why's Mom not home yet? It's been days.
Baby, I told you not to worry about your mom, okay? She's fine.
Grandma said we will be leaving for London very soon. Won't Mom come with us?
Well, you know your mom has businesses to take care of here in Nigeria, right?
Oh, Lily dear, don't worry about Agnes, all right? I'll take care of you once we get to London. I'll put you in the best school and we'll do ice cream Saturdays every single Saturday. I promise you have a splendid time, all right? And you can call me Mommy too.
But you're not my mom.
Well, Agnes isn't your mother either.
What?
Okay, honey. Well, why don't you go downstairs? I'll catch up with you soon. All right?
All right, Dad. But first, a good night hug.
Come here. That's my girl. Okay?
This.
There you go. All right.
Good night, Lily.
Yes.
Why doesn't she like me? Not even in the slightest bit.
Haley, she's just a kid, all right? Please give her some time to get familiar with you.
Well, I'm trying, but she hates me.
Baby, can we not talk about Lily right now?
Why not?
Because I'd rather kiss you. That's how you're feeling?
Why does she pack like she's staying months?
Is that why you dragged me here?
Yes, because I needed to explain it. I mean, except she has all the monies she promised you in those bags.
What?
If not, what is going on?
What money are you talking about? Agnes, please. You know how you women can be. She just decided to bring a few extra stuff, you know, just so she can be comfortable.
A few extra stuff, you say?
It's time for Mommy and Daddy to have some alone time. Why don't you run upstairs, all right?
Agnes, no, just go to bed, okay? We're fine. All right?
We'll run upstairs. Honey, I'm tired of the dress. You have to take it off.
Who is there?
Open this gate.
Madam, now you. Good afternoon, ma. Madam, you not fit go in though. Yes.
You smoke something. Do you know who you're talking to?
Yes, madam. I know. Oga and the mother say, no, you don't enter.
Osas asked you not to let me into the house?
Yes, madam. I don't want to lose my job. Oh. You will call Oga, I beg.
Are you serious?
Yes, madam.
Baby, please, I just need to get in and pick up a few things. I'll be quick.
Madam, that one go hard though. You know I like you well, but I beg, you will call Oga. I don't feel let you enter, I beg.
Baby, please, I beg you in the name of...
Madam, call Oga, call Oga.
Mom, I miss you so much, Mom. Where did it go?
I miss you too, honey.
Dad said we'll be leaving for London very soon.
Lily, are you sure about that?
Yes! To attend Miss Haley's wedding. Dad said we'll be leaving immediately after my examination.
Wow.
Mom? What's going on?
Lily, listen to me, okay? I don't have much time to explain everything to you right now, but there's something I need you to do for me. No one must find out till the day you are supposed to carry out the plan, okay?
Okay, if you say so.
So, how is it? Do you like it?
It's mind-blowing, as usual.
Perfect. Thank you, my love. Mommy?
Yes, my darling.
Do you like it?
Yes, of course.
Perfect. Darn, where's Lily? She ought to be eating with us.
Mom?
She's getting ready for school. She will soon be here and take her breakfast.
Perfect. I'm sure she'll love it.
Yeah.
I should even pack some for lunch.
No, there'll be no need for that, okay? They don't eat much, you know, kids.
They don't?
No, they don't.
Oh, Lily, there you are.
Honey, why are you not dressed for school? And what are you holding?
Miss Haley, I have a message for you. Mom asked me to give it to you. And also, she told me to give you this later.
Lily, what did you get?
Haley, I know you must have seen my wedding pictures with Osas by now. Yes, we are both married. Osas has only been playing you because of what he could obtain from you. He never wanted to propose, let alone marry you. He only did that because he needed more money from you before he finally dumps you. We don't have a late brother, and Lily is our daughter. Also, Mama and I knew about it. We're playing along the whole time. I can't tell you everything he's done and how he spent all the money he swindled from you. But I hope now that you know the truth, that you were just his money-making machine. I'm sorry. And if you're thinking that I would have come out to say this if things had worked out as Osas and I had planned, then you're right. But I'm sorry regardless. Agnes.
Baby, look, it's not as bad as it. Just hold on. Let me explain this to you. Haley, listen, Haley, listen to me. Let me explain this to you. It's not as... Haley. Haley, babe, please, just listen to me. Let me explain, okay? Haley, just listen to me.
Listen to you?
Haley.
So you can tell me more lies? Go ahead. Explain yourself.
Haley, where did you get a gun from?
I loved you. I gave you everything. A place to call home, clothes. When you were down in London, I brought you back up.
I know that. Okay, I know.
Despite everything that my parents and my friends and everyone who could see through your blunt lies said to me, I loved you.
I know. Okay.
But what did you take me for? A fool?
I can explain, okay? Just put the gun away, my love, please. Let me just explain to you, okay? Please.
You're what? You're what? I am not your love!
Oh! You shot me. You shot me.
To hell with you!